Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to send disappearing messages in WhatsApp. If you want to have control over how long a message lasts in WhatsApp, go through these steps. Open WhatsApp to get started. Open the individual chat and select the contact's name. Tap on Disappearing Messages. If prompted, tap Continue. Look at the Message Timer section. Select a duration after which messages should disappear in new chats. Or tap Try a Default Message Timer to enable disappearing messages for all chats. There we go. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.